someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move.
Hi everyone, it's your girl Gracie and I am back with another video. Today I'll be showing you the 3 products that I am going to use to help to regrow my edges. I started out by peeling aloe vera, and then in a small bowl I have egg whites and molasses. I started out by combining these 3 ingredients in a blender. First I add the aloe vera and blend it out a little bit. Then I add the egg whites and then the molasses, maybe like 2 spoonful of molasses to the ingredients. Then I make sure that I pour it out in another bowl, and then I strained it out. I forgot to show you guys exactly what I did, but then I strained it out, just to get the aloe vera small particles out of the ingredients itself. Here what it's look like after I strain it out. It still have that foamy look, but that's okay. So here I am just showing you guys what my edges look like. From the get-go it wasn't thick, but it wasn't that thin as well. So now I'm in the process of regrowing. Try to regrow it back. Guys, you can just follow me over the next 6 months to see what it's going to look like. Hope this product really helped. I remember when I was a kid, my mom would use these 3 same ingredients in my hair, and it did grow back then. I wish I had pictures to show you guys. First of all, I started out by saturating my hair with the products. Just make sure that you get like dark colors to use, all because of the molasses, because of its brown color that it has. If you notice that I am using a brown colored towel, so I just go ahead, saturated my hair with the mixed ingredients, and then I put a steam cap over my hair, or a shower cap, whichever one that you normally use, over your hair, and just leave it in for, you can leave it in for 45 minutes to an hour. I left mine in for at least about an hour because I had other things that I was doing at the same time, but it keeps running, so just make sure that you protect yourself and your clothes away from this mixture. Just please remember to like my video, share and subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my video. This is my hair after I finish washing, and I just put it up in some cornrows just in case if I'm gonna wear a wig, or maybe feel like I want to do some crochet braids. At this moment I am undecided of what I want to do, so I am going to add a mixture of biotin oil with Chebe powder. I just mix the Chebe powder in the biotin oil, and I add it throughout my hair and massage it in, as you guys can see what I'm doing here. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.